Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Aditya back again from Simtechnos, and let me introduce you to Kolkata Cutlet, our Sona food solution demo, where we are going to introduce you the season 1 of it, where you get to see our admin panel. So just go to the admin panel, you just need to add the trailing slash and the admin, and then you can log in into the admin panel. Here you get the place where you can actually sign up with your login credentials. So you'll put up your details. You already have predefined ones. So as you can see, we are greeted with a dashboard for the admin, where you can see your total commissions, your commissions for the day, your commissions from the last 30 days. You can view your website again, and you can manage your admin profile again. Other than this, you can see on the left hand side, there is quite a big menu for the navigation and the controlling of the website, an entire with complete functions and analytics and every other thing. So you can see this is the dashboard with your new merchant registration list for the day, your new merchant payment list for today, and your incoming orders from merchant for today. Now the second item in the list is merchant list, where you can list your merchants, you can create a new, you can manage, and you can modify the contents as needed. Third option is sponsor listing. In the sponsor listing, you can actually put a merchant. A merchant in this case is the restaurants. The restaurants can be put on the sponsored list, using which they can be listed on your website on the front basis, even on the apps as well. Now this is the packages part where you can actually charge a client on the charge a client. Client is restaurant again, on the basis of subscription fees, on the basis of months, days, or annum, whatever you prefer. These are the cuisines which you list here, which can be used by merchants at the time of sign up, or they can modify and after any point of time to increase or decrease the menu. These are the special dishes which you can list as per your region, locality, city, country, as you prefer. These are the order status, which are actually marked. This is for admin purpose only, where you can set up all the different kind of order status for the order management by the restaurant as well as by the driver. This is the list of the incoming orders which are being received by the system. This is the settings control, where you can set up the website logo, the icons, the Google API keys, the site recapture for the further security if you want, the printing options from the printer. A lot of other things are mentioned here, whatever you want. Quite a big list. You can see and check it yourself out. It's very easy to manage. Now these are the theme settings. These are the more of the graphical part, actually what you want to show up on the website on the front end or not. Now these are locations which you can add locations. Now for example, I'll show you actually. Like for example, I'm in India. So I get to India. In India, I can define a location now. Now you can add a state. Under the state, you can add a city. Under the city, you can add up the regions which are there. And you can get started with a more intrusive search mechanism for the restaurants and getting the food delivered to your home. Now looking at the commission settings, these are the commission settings. If the members of the restaurants which want to sign up with you can sign up using two criteria. Either they can be on commission basis or they can be on a subscription basis. So if the subscription basis, we have already talked here in the packages. Now if you want them to be on commission basis, you can actually set up the commission percentages here and you can start doing business with them. These are the coupon vouchers which are used for discounts and stuff. This is the invoice, whatever the invoices are generated for the restaurants and stuff. This is the merchant commission again. You can see what amount of commission is generated by all the merchants or for a specific merchant over a period of time. Now this is the withdrawal option actually, where you can actually set up all your withdrawals for the merchants, actually how much money they are supposed to get, when they are supposed to get, how you're supposed to send the money and everything. Now this is the now beyond that, you can go further with email settings for setting of emails, how you want to receive emails and send emails. Now this is the notification designs, like what kind of notifications you want for what things, and you can set up how you want them, whether you want them as an email, SMS, push notifications and stuff or not. I hope this part is included in the same thing. These are the email logs, cron jobs, and these are more of a technical thing for the developer only. This is the custom page list. If you want to create your own customized page, you can simply add up a page here and you can add it up in the theme settings and it will show on your front page. This is a rating mechanism where you can see what kind of ratings people are getting actually. Contact settings for the website again. These are social settings where you can actually connect your website and connect your website with the various social networks to make it easier for people to get signed up with your website. These are the currency options where you can add multiple currencies as per your comfort zone. This is the option where you can add multiple languages to the system. This is the SEO part where you can add SEO details for your website. Okay, now this comes as an important part. This is the mobile app controlling for the app for the system, where you can control the mobile app functionality and everything. And this is for the merchant app, where you can change details for the merchant app to connect from the app. So it's entirely controlled by the web itself. Now, this is custom code analytics. This is used for Google Analytics basically, and if you want any third-party integration for the analytics of your website. This is a list of the customers you have for yourself. This is a list of the subscribers who are actually subscribed to your newsletter. This is the reviews which you have received. This is our bank deposits, and these are the various payment gateways which we support on our website. There's quite a lot which we are supporting. This is for the SMS gateways which we support. The fax services, which I think might be obsolete for few people, but we still have kept it here. These are reports for the merchant registration, for the merchant payments, for the merchant sales report, and the merchant sales summary, and the booking summary report. This sums up for the entire thing which comes up in the part of the admin panel. If there are any more queries, you can definitely ask us. We'll definitely love to help you out. Thank you so very much for your time and patience.